Welcome back to the Landlords Workshop, your go-to spot for quick, practical fixes that save time, money, and headache. Today, I have put together 10 powerful repair hacks every landlord and homeowner should know. These will help you handle problem fast without waiting for a handyman or spending big money. Let's dive right in. How to replace a broken light switch. This is one of the easiest electrical fix you can do. Turn off the breaker, unscrew the faceplate and remove the switch. Move each wire from the old switch to the new one in the same spot. Screw it back in, turn the breaker on, and you are done. Cost under $5 and takes less than 10 minutes. Now, if your problem isn't the light but the noise from above, the $5 fix for a noisy ceiling fan. If your ceiling fan sounds like it's about to take off, turn it off. Then tighten all the screws on the blades and mounting bracket. Dust buildup can also cause wobble. Wipe the blades clean. If it still rattles, buy a balancing kit for a few bucks. Silent fan, happy tenants. Speaking of avoiding headaches, there is a trick for when tenants lock themselves out. Quick tip to stop tenant lockout. Lockouts are expensive unless you do this first. Install a $15 digital keypad lock instead of traditional keys. Tenant can use a code and you can change it instantly when they move out. No locksmith needed. It also cut down on 2 a.m. phone calls from tenants who lost their keys. But what about avoiding expensive repairs down the road? Let's talk water heaters. The secret to longer lasting water heater. Most people never do this, and their water heater dies early. Once a year, attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of your water heater. Open it and let a gallon of water flow out. This flushes out sediment that builds up and ruins efficiency. Just 5 minutes of maintenance can add years to your tank life. While we are talking safety, here's something every landlord should know. How to check for a gas leak without calling the gas company. Smell gas? Here's a quick safety check before you panic. Mix dish soap with water in a bottle and spray it on any suspect gas pipe or fitting. If you see bubbles forming, you have found a leak. Turn off the gas immediately and call a pro. This test won't fix it, but it will confirm the problem in seconds, so you know it's not your imagination. Always act fast. Gas leaks are serious. From gas safety, let's switch to a quick kitchen hack. Clean a microwave without scrubbing. Stop scrubbing. Here's a lazy way to clean your microwave. Fill a bowl with water and a few lemon slices. Then microwave for 3 minutes. The steam loosens all the stuck on food and the lemon kills odor. Wipe clean in seconds. Now let's boost your security without breaking the bank. Want extra security without expensive lock? Use this trick. Install a barrel bolt at the top or the bottom of your door. They are cheap, easy to install, and hidden from outside view. Great for rentals or shed doors. Peace of mind for under $10. And while we are fixing small things, let's head to kitchen again. Fix a loose cabinet door. Cabinet door sagging? Here's the fast fix. Tighten the hinge screw. If they spin without tightening, remove them. Fill the holes with toothpick and wood glue. Then reinsert the screw. The door will close straight again. Now, let's stop that annoying sound we all hate, the dripping faucet. Stop a faucet from dripping. That drip, drip, drip is costing you money. Here's the fix. Turn off the water supply, unscrew the handle, and replace the one washer or cartridge. Most cost under $2. Tighten everything back and the leak is gone. And last but not least, let's talk about your car battery. White crust on your battery? Fix it before it kills your car. Disconnect the battery, scrub the terminal with a baking soda and water paste. Then coat with petroleum jelly to slow future corrosion. Your battery will last longer and you won't get stranded. And that's it. 10 landlord hacks that can save you hundreds of dollars while keeping your property in top shape. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the Landlords Workshop, and share this video with someone who could use this for tips. Until next time, keep fixing smart and saving money.